In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design business card in Canva free. Open your web browser and head to Canva. Once you're on the site, log into your account so you can save your work as you go. From the Canva homepage, use the search bar and type business card. This pulls up a variety of ready-made layouts. Make sure you're looking at templates so you can start from a professionally designed base rather than a blank canvas. Browse through the options and choose a design that's close to your style or industry. To keep everything free, pick a template without the little crown icon. That crown indicates a pro element. When you've found one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Start by replacing the placeholder name with your own. Then update the job title or position beneath it to reflect what you do. If the template includes a logo, you can swap it with yours. In the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files. Select your logo from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. Drag your uploaded logo onto the existing one to replace it. If needed, resize it by dragging the corners and keep proportions locked so it doesn't look stretched. Update the company or business name so it matches your brand. Next, change the contact details. Replace the placeholder email, phone number, location, and website with your real information. Keep everything concise and double check for typos. Make sure the text contrasts well with the background so it's easy to read. Many business card templates include a backside. Switch to the second page in the editor and repeat the updates there. Swap the logo again if needed, and update the business name to stay consistent. This is a great spot for a tagline, a QR code you already have, or a simplified logo mark if your template supports it. You can personalize colors by clicking the background of the card. Then select the color tile at the top and scroll through the palette to choose a shade that matches your brand. Aim for enough contrast between background and text for legibility. To adjust typography, click on any text, open the font menu, and scroll to pick a style that fits your brand personality. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts for a clean, professional look, and keep sizes readable. As you refine, align elements neatly, keep margins consistent, and avoid crowding the edges. Most templates are sized for standard cards, so you're already set on dimensions. That's it. Your free custom business card design in Canva is ready.